Boeing 787 revolutionized air travel, creating significant market disruption and forcing Airbus to accelerate the A350 program. 2006, the funding is approved. We are officially moving forward with the extra-wide body design.
This is the priority boarding announcement for Qatar Airways Flight 001, the inaugural service of the A350 to Doha.
Our design philosophy focuses on aerodynamic efficiency and significant weight reduction. The airflow looks consistent, but the stress test is showing high load concentration in this section.
We need to reinforce the spar before the next iteration.
The real-time data integration shows a slight anomaly here.
Yes, the thermal readings on the starboard engine are elevated.
Surface quality looks good here. Check the thickness at the seam. Reading nominal. This lightweight, high-strength material is perfect for the airframe. Check the wiring harness on section 4. It looks slightly off the standardized path here on the diagram.
The Rolls-Royce Trent XWB engine is lowered into position on climb pylon.
Torque sequence initiated on Mount 1. Confirmed green on all connections. Ready for final inspection. We need more tape on level 3.
Bringing it over. Watch the hose.
Using advanced 3D modeling, the team ensures perfect alignment during the 12-day painting process of the first Rolls-Royce A350.
Display array diagnostics complete. Confirmed. All 6 LCDs are fully calibrated.
Station 18, pressurization test in progress, confirming seal integrity. Roger that. Gauge reading stable on my side. Moving to avionics check. Initiating brake test now. Confirm readings.
Roger. Brake temps stable. Proceed to high-speed taxi.
Flaps set to 20. Green light. Confirmed.
Bravo Tango X-ray, you are clear for departure. Have a safe flight.
Fuel system validation complete. Thermal regulation stable. Proceeding with envelope expansion.
It is our great pleasure to officially hand over the A350.
We are delighted to accept it. Thank you.
Experience the pinnacle of air travel. With our customized in-flight entertainment, your journey will fly by.
Engine failure. ECAM actions. Thrust lever. Idle. We are stable now.
Airbus A350 Heavy cleared for takeoff runway 32 left, wind 290 at 5 knots.
Cleared for takeoff runway 32 left heavy.
On behalf of Qatar Airways, welcome to the inaugural A350 service to Doha. Thank you for flying with us. The A350 program is vital. Our integrated teams across the continent are delivering exceptional results. The Wing of Tomorrow program is redefining aerodynamics, utilizing over 100 new technologies to create longer, leaner, and lighter aircraft.